Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. And guess what, y'all? I woke up, I went outside, I let the dog out, and it was cool, y'all. It was not hot, it was not blazing heat. There is some fall magic in the air. And I have the perfect wig to showcase this, okay? Let's get into the seasons. So today I am doing that by showcasing this gorgeous wig that I got from OMG Her Hair. Now look at these curls. Now when I pulled this out, I said, you know what? It's giving 90s washing set. I love a good old nasty washing set. Okay, so I was ready to put this on. So I want to get into one of the most important features of any wig, and that is the cap construction. If you see in the front, you see how it's pre-melted? Like it's already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, and it is like that around the entire 360 of this wig. We got 4 combs right here for added security. There's an elastic band. It's got anti-silicone, lots of parting space. Also, 3 anti-slip silicone patches that are on the back. And that is to keep your wig from shifting, okay? Because we want to leave the house looking the same way that we do when we come back, all right? So you see these threads. These are the invisible threads that are located in the back of your wig. And I will demonstrate for you how to go ahead and use that. I'm going to go ahead and adjust my elastic band and make sure that my wig is fitting nice and secure on my head. A nice snug fit. Now, the premise for this wig is glue-free, and that is completely optional if you want to use glue or not. I'm just checking to make sure everything looks nice and blended. I am actually going to use a little bit of spritz, and that's because I had some errands to run after filming this wig. But I'm going to go ahead and pull my wig down, make sure my sides are secure, and there's nothing really else to do with this wig. It already came styled in these beautiful wand curls. So I'm just gonna, I don't know, do my hairline. So I'm just gonna use some spray wax and try not to burn my forehead with the straightening comb. Now to make sure my wig lays down nice, I'm putting a little bit of foam wrap mousse on the perimeter, and I'm gonna use my wig band to go ahead and let that melt. I'm gonna let that sit on my head for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to take it off for the reveal. Do y'all see how natural that looks? Okay, beautiful. I didn't look I sat for 4 hours in somebody's chair at a salon. Girl, no! I did this myself. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to use the feature of this cap. I'm gonna use these invisible threads. I'm gonna go ahead and locate them on either side, and I'm going to gently pull them so that they tighten at my nape so that my wig is extra secure and snug. Now it has these pistons that kind of lock it in place, so I'm gonna push that in. And you know what? You can cut this and tie it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck it underneath so that you can't see it. And when I turn around, girl, it's gonna look like it's growing out of my head. Would you look at that? Stop it. I had to use this mirror because I couldn't see. It's giving Bill Cipher. Beautiful. I'm pretty sure Vanessa Williams wore this hairstyle back in the day. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe because I've been listening to Vanessa Williams. Y'all know she got some bops. So because bigger is better for me, I'm gonna go ahead and use my raggedy pick, and I'm going to fluff out these curls, but try my best not to frizz them up. And for a little bit of extra zhuzh, I'm gonna spray some glosser on so it can catch the light, because this hair color is so pretty in the sunlight, I gotta tell you. So I'm telling you, this is good if you're looking for a wig to give you an updo that you can just throw on and go and not think about it. You don't have to worry, oh my gosh, is my back slipping up? It's secure, girl. It's gonna stay down. And that's it. And there's nothing else to do except get dressed and live your 1980s work bae dreams. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the information about this gorgeous, luscious brown long curls unit in my description box, and I'll answer any questions if you guys have any for me. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you later.